Imagine waking up, opening your laptop, and within a few clicks, you've made $500 using just one AI tool. Sounds crazy, right? But this is exactly what people in the USA are doing right now, with a brand new AI platform that almost nobody's talking about. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we explore the most powerful AI tools and automation hacks that can literally change your life. If you love discovering AI tools that save time and make money, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today's AI tool is called Durable.co, an incredible website builder that uses artificial intelligence to create a complete business website in less than 30 seconds. Yes, 30 seconds. All you do is type what business you want, say, a cleaning service in New York, and Durable builds everything for you: logo, design, text, and even SEO-ready content. The best part? You can use it for clients and start your own small agency. Imagine selling one website per day for $50, $100. That's how people in the USA are making hundreds daily, without any coding, design, or tech skills. And if you're thinking, can I really do this? Yes, you can. The power of AI has made it possible for anyone to start a business, even from their phone. This is your chance to be early, before everyone else catches on. So try it out today at Durable.co, and if you want me to show step-by-step how to sell these websites and find clients, drop a comment saying, "Show me," and I'll make a full tutorial next.